Well, I've got some of the primer airbrushed on the P-51, but I think I'm gonna need a little bit more to do it correctly. Plus, I just realized that some of the undercarriage of the wing needs to be primed, and I didn't realize it because, of course, I didn't look at the instructions, but it's looking pretty good. It's just put together. Luckily, it fuselage clicked together pretty good, and so did the top wing parts. So we'll continue on with this project of the P-51D and post more as we get it. Okay, continuing work on the old Airfix P-51D. And here is the French blue painted on the fuselage. We'll see how this goes. Well, here it is with a lot of parts painted silver like they're supposed to be. All right, we have the silver painted. We have the red painted. All right, this is where we're at. Fuselage. Don't have it glued together yet. Have to install the parts. Elevators. This is the glue's drying on this at the time for now. Here's the items that go in the cockpit. Actually painted a pilot for the first time. Almost done. Just a few more items to add. Airfix. I think it's a 2002 P-51D finished. There's the bombs. Below it, there's the gear. Got the decals on there. Turned out pretty well. I say so myself. I could have done better, but I still consider myself a rookie, basically. There's the other bomb, so turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it anyway. Hope other people are too.